Your first step will start when you receive an email that will provide you with a link to a location from where you can download the installation file for the exam application. In the download folder, you'll find the setup installation file. Double-click on the setup.exe file, and that would open a wizard which contains the installation instructions. Agree to the license terms and conditions and click the Install button. Watch the installation progress indicator, and you'll realize once the installation is finished that an icon has been created on the desktop. You can start the exam later simply by clicking on the icon. Later on, when you are in the exam room, you can double-click on this icon to start taking your exam session. But you have to make sure, if you have any firewalls installed on your device, that the firewall wouldn't prevent this application from running. You have to also be sure that your device Wi-Fi is functioning, in order to allow you to connect to the local area network in the exam room. When these conditions are fulfilled, double-click on the application icon on the desktop to launch the exam. The exam conduction application would recognize you based on your credentials from your username and password. The exam key is only needed if you forgot your username and password, and you can get it from the exam organizing committee. After entering your username and password, click on Sign In, and that Sign In button will take you to the exam details page, in which you would confirm that you're running the right examination session, where you would find the course title, the student batch name, and the exam session name. When there are important notifications and messages, a message window in the middle of the screen will pop up. Please make sure that you read the content of these messages carefully. For example, this message is notifying you that the exam time counter has already started to count. You need to close the message window before you can proceed forward. Click on the Start button to start answering questions. On the left side of the examination window, you'll find the question number, and the question text. And on the right side, you'll find the answer options. Keep your attention on the time remaining by looking at the upper right corner. Select the option you think is right by clicking on the circle just beside the option. Then click on the Next button in the lower right corner to proceed to the next question. Choose the second question's answer and then click Next to proceed to the third question. Now, at any time, you can actually view your exam progress by clicking on Answer Sheet Summary. If you click on that button, you will see a summary report showing your exam questions list, showing in green those that you have answered till now, and leaving the not attempted questions in white. The orange color indicates questions marked for review, which is a question that has already been answered, yet you'd like to review it later, because you're still doubting how correct your answer is. On the other hand, any skipped question, which is marked in blue, indicates that you didn't give that question any answer, and that you've decided to postpone answering that question to a later stage. Let's try that. Let's answer question 3. Let's choose an answer option. But since we're doubting the answer option, we're going to mark it for review by clicking Mark for Review button. And as we reach question 4, we'll proceed without answering it by not choosing any of its options. To do that, we'll click on Skip button. If you check your answer sheet summary now, you'll find 2 attempted green questions, 1 marked for review orange question, and 1 blue skipped question. Click the Marked for Review and revise your answer option. Then go to the skipped and answer it now. If you click now on the answer sheet summary, you'll find that all the 4 previous questions are marked green. If for any reason you clicked Next without giving an answer option, a notification window pops up prompting you to answer, or to click the Skip button. Now you can see that all the questions have been attempted, as they are all marked in green. And now you can end the exam. And once you click on End Exam button, A warning prompts you that finishing the exam cannot be reversed. Now, clicking yes would officially end your exam. We wish you all the best luck in all your exams.